Alright, today we're out here, we're going to shoot the 308. This is my 308 build. I'm pretty proud of it. Let's explain some of it. Start out with a black rain ordnance, upper and lower. It's a LaRue furniture, a Daniel Defense rail, GG&G bipod Seekins brake. It's got the LaRue cheek weld that resets, Trigicon acupoint, scope. We're going to be shooting some Tannerite out here today. And got a, got the half pounder, 1 pounder, and a 2 pounder. And I got these things right here. What it is it's an exploding 2-liter bottle. You take the 2-liter bottle, you put this little piece in there, then you put it in the cap, and then you put the cap on, and it's got a little hole in there that you put you inflate a tire or a bicycle tire or a basketball or football or whatever you put in there. You blow it up, you add some water in there. It's like a poor man's exploding target, I guess, is how it's explained to me. It's supposed to be reusable. I shot one on a 20-ounce bottle with a 22 and I couldn't find the cap, so how reusable it is, I don't know. When I shoot this one, we'll see. I got one of those set up down there already. Let me move the camera down there so we'll see each one that I shoot and go from there. All right. Alright, well, it exploded. We'll start with the Tannerite next, the half pound. Now for the half a pound Tannerite. I missed that one. Alright, now the 1 pound Tannerite. Alright, now for the 2 pounder. Alright, there you have it. That's a lot of fun shooting those things. Alright, thanks.